When it comes to ovens and cookers, there are many different choices on the market nowadays. You could go for an integrated double oven like this. You could go for a single integrated oven like this. Then you've got freestanding cooker options that vary in sizes between 50 centimetres like on this model and 60 centimetres like on this model, and they can go to well over a metre wide if you're looking at a range cooker. But if you haven't got space for an integrated oven or a freestanding cooker like the models have shown you, then this model could be an ideal solution for you. This is the Igenix IG7130, and it's a mini tabletop oven that's designed just to sit on a worktop, and it can plug into a normal 13 amp socket. So as far as the dimensions on this, you're looking at 51 centimetres or 20 inches wide. The height of it, you're looking at 33 centimetres or 13 inches, and the depth, so front to back, if you just wanted to go to the front lip here, really 33 centimetres or 13 inches are what you're looking at. And if you want to include the handle, then you're looking at 36 centimetres or just over 14 inches. To open the door, it's nice and easy. You just pull the handle and the door will stay down. Capacity on this model is 30 litres, which is approximately half of a normal freestanding or integrated oven. You do have a tray in here that comes with the oven, and you also get a wire rack, so you could either put that as a separate shelf if you wanted to cook on different levels, or if you were going to use it as the grill, then you could put that on top and then put your food items on top here. Something that not many manufacturers include with their integrated ovens or freestanding cookers are one of these. This is a grill pan handle. Now Igenix have decided to include it in this model, which I think is actually a really good idea. The main reason most manufacturers don't include it is because if you have got quite a large tray, then including one handle can be quite difficult to balance everything, especially if you've got food on top. But if you're going to use it for a small tray like this, then it could be an ideal solution. To control the oven, it's ever so easy. First of all, you've got the grill setting, and that's where the upper heating elements will work. So if you wanted to get something nice and crispy, say if you've got some bacon to cook, then that could be an ideal solution for you. Next one is the bake. With that one, so only the lower heating elements will work. And then the next one is the roast setting. So if you wanted to take it all the way over to the right hand side, that's where both the upper and lower heating elements will work together. And that's ideal for things like roasting. And to set the temperature, all you need to do is just rotate the dial at the top here, and it will vary between 100 and 220 degrees centigrade. But as you can see, we've got two dials in the middle here, and that's for the hot plates on top. So not only can you cook things in the oven, you've also got two hot plates on the top where you can cook things using saucepans or frying pans. If you're limited for space, but you have got a bit of worktop spare, this could be a great alternative to an integrated oven or a freestanding cooker like I showed you earlier. But don't forget, because the capacity on this is quite small, then you're only going to be limited what you could cook in it. If you're thinking of purchasing one of these, I've provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Igenix IG7130 mini tabletop oven. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. I'd always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad, about the video. If you have got one of these, or a model similar to this by Igenix, let me know what you think about it, because I'd always appreciate the honest feedback. Thanks for joining me today.